Right, today's Sunday, September 13th, 2020. I'm going to be dedicating a few hours today to my own car. Got three things on the menu. I'm going to be putting in the gas tank. I got a new sender, filler neck, rubber or whatever, grommet, brand new gas tank, and somehow ended up with two sets of gas tank straps. So out of those two sets, I should be able to have at least something that works. Then we're going to move forward. We're going to do the transmission mount. I ordered this off of eBay. It's for 700R or 4L60. It's a good piece. It came raw, so we just shot some epoxy on it the other day. 2 coats, 2 quick coats, like 2 ounces of paint. So when we're putting that in, going to be doing the transmission dipstick. Got a flexible stainless one, mount on the firewall. So we're going to do the mount, the dipstick. I think that might be it for the transmission. And then hopefully, if time permits, I'm going to put my Ididit steering column in. Got the intermediate shaft here with the U-joints. It's ready to go. The column's already been painted. Steering wheel's been painted too. Probably won't put the steering wheel on because it's just going to have to come right back off to get the seat in when the time comes. So maybe just mock it up. But so that's today's project. 3 things. I'm thinking maybe 4 or 6 hours, something like that. So I'll bring you guys back once I get this gas tank in. Alright, so we're about an hour in and I got this gas tank in. I did it myself. Used a floor jack. Opened the box up, and to my delight, this thing was already coated with some sort of metallic. I guess it's some sort of primer. It's pretty nice. It's a pretty nice piece. I was expecting something raw aluminum. So overall, it looks great. So the gas tank straps, I'm gonna put a picture on the video of the part number because some of these are made longer. I know on the 64, I struggled with the set of stainless ones that I had, and they just wouldn't reach. And so I think I went black, and they reached plenty good. So as you can see, this one has a lot of slack because of the threads on the bolt. So that went on really easy. I was expecting to have to wrestle with that a little bit. Wasn't bad though. Pretty simple 9/16 bolt. And then I got the filler neck right there. So we got brand new filler neck, grommet, hose clamps, gas tank, and straps. I can't wire up the sender unit right now because I loaned out the American Auto wire pliers. So step 1's done. Next up, move forward to this transmission mount. Alright, so we got 2 out of 3 things done today. Unfortunately, this transmission mount doesn't fit. It didn't fall in place like they advertised, but I'm thinking it's because something was done to this frame at one point, because the crossmember mounts look like they've been welded on at some point. So I'm gonna have to modify this thing, but I'm thinking if we cut here and here and stretch it out, it's about 1 inch short. And I was thinking on maybe chopping up a panhard bar. I have about 4 of them, and using that for the tubing. So, but anyways, we got the gas tank in, and we got the steering column in. So, got a new boot, new dust boot. It's a double D Ididit shaft to the CPP 500. We had to reroute the return hose for the power steering. Kind of had to zip tie it. I'm not too excited about that, but it's going to rub on the U-joint if I didn't do that. So, take you in here, and we got a steering wheel now. So that's the original steering wheel that I fixed up and fixed the cracks and all that and painted, and then that's an Ididit tilt steering. So when I mounted this thing, I have some pictures that I'm going to attach to this video here. All I did was, instead of using the original these, I just used a stainless hose clamp. Same purpose. That was pretty much it. I taped it up so it didn't get scratched or anything like that. and pretty much stabbed it right in. Did have to do some adjustment to get the tilt to where it's not tilting at an angle and instead straight up and down. So it just took a little bit of adjustment. Still waiting on my dash fascia. I got to order that, but it's good. I can get this thing in here and get it out of the house. So that's all for today. I think next is going to be the transmission mount. I got a starter coming and a distributor and all that stuff, and then probably I got to wire up the front and start on the interior. But we're making progress. I think I'm going to dedicate Sundays to working on this car, and then all the rest of the time to the convertible. So just a quick update, you guys. Hope you like it. Stay tuned for more. We've got plenty more work coming.